How to build a landing page with System.io. First, start by registering for a free System.io account or signing in if you already have one. Then, start a new funnel. Go to the Funnel section from the dashboard, click on Create to begin a new funnel. Then choose a funnel goal based on your needs. For example, build an audience for lead capture, sell for products, custom, or evergreen webinar. Then select the landing page template. Browse the library of pre-designed templates and preview options. Pick a template that fits your aesthetic and goal. Then click Select to apply. Then use the drag and drop editor to personalize layout, colors, fonts, and visuals. Add elements like headlines, CTAs, images, videos, and forms where needed. Ensure the page is mobile responsive and design stays clean and focused. Then configure form actions and automations. Set what happens when a visitor submits the form, redirect to another page, custom URL, or remain on the same page. Then add automation rules for follow-up actions like enrolling in a course, sending emails, tagging users, or integrating with CRM. Once you're satisfied with the finished product, hit publish to make it live online. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.